In this video, I'm going to reveal the tools that you need to get up and running with affiliate marketing. In addition, I'm going to talk about how much they cost and where you can find them so that you can get up and running fast. In addition, I've put together a list of optional tools that you can reinvest in once you start seeing some money. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer creating content to help you start making money with affiliate marketing. As I mentioned, these are a list of tools that I use every single day in some capacity. These tools are going to actually help you make money. It's not going to be any of that filler junk that you don't need. These are all tools that you can use, and most of them you probably already have in your home. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The number one tool that I think you absolutely need to have is domain name and web hosting. Now, you can get domain name and web hosting for as little as $3 per month, but it's, in my opinion, it's absolutely crucial that you have your own domain name. The reason why is so that you can actually set up different redirects. For example, if you go to alstongodbolt.com/start, that's a redirect. Also, with your own domain name and web hosting, you can start a blog. Now, you don't have to write or type on that blog if you don't want to, but it's a nice base of operations. It's a nice place where people can go if they want to learn more about you. The other reason why you want to start a blog is it's really the only thing that you actually own. If you're creating content on social media or even YouTube, you can be kicked off of these platforms at any point and you won't have anywhere to go. But if you have a website, you at least have a place that you can go to fall back in the event that you lose everything else. But I think that you should have a domain name and website. A lot of people out there think that you don't need one, but I think it's absolutely mandatory. Also, a question that I get all the time is, can I use a free website like Wix and Google Sites? The only drawback to those free things is that they can change the terms of service at any point and they can take those away from you. Also, they're extremely limited and there's not a lot of features and functionality. There's not a lot of customization that you can do on some of those sites. So yes, you could start with a free one. I don't recommend it, but just spend the $3 per month and get your own domain name and web hosting. So that's number one. Number two is just a smartphone with internet connection. Yes, we are starting off lean. And if you have this smartphone, you can do most of the stuff that we talk about. And the cool thing is if you're going to create content on social media, it's right there for you. You can even apply to different affiliate programs. It is a little bit frustrating if you're looking at a small screen or, if you've got bad eyes, it can be a problem. But really, if you have a smartphone with an internet connection, you can get up and running from anywhere in the world. After smartphone with internet connection, I actually recommend a landing page and email marketing. Now, the way that I do my landing page, I use ClickFunnels and I send it over to GetResponse. But what you could do is you could use free software out there. For example, I know that Aweber is free, GetResponse is free, and a lot of people are using System.io for their email marketing software. But in my opinion, you absolutely need to be doing email marketing. If you're not doing email marketing, you are going to need thousands of clicks in order to start getting buys. Oftentimes, people reach out to me and say, I'm getting hundreds of clicks, but I'm not getting any commissions. I ask them, are they doing email marketing? And oftentimes, they're saying no. The reason why is people need to see you more than once before they automatically click and buy. And if you're using social media, if you're at the mercy of the algorithms, it's very hard for people to see you again and again and again. So what I absolutely recommend is that you start email marketing today. And email marketing really consists of a landing page, a lead magnet, an autoresponder, and then broadcast emails. And when you put that together, you can actually do that for free at a variety of softwares. So definitely start email marketing if you haven't already done so. After email marketing, Google Drive. Now, I like to use Google Drive for a little bit of everything. And the cool thing with Google Drive is it's actually free. And so there's no harm in using this. You can use Google Drive to deliver your lead magnet. You can use Google Drive to store your files. You can use Google Drive to collaborate with other people. And again, it's 100% free. You just need Google email address or you need to sign up with Google. And so you can actually start that 100% for free. And I use it every single day. Whenever I create a new lead magnet, I just throw it up to Google Drive and then I click the share link and I share it really easy, really simple. Okay, so after Google Drive, we have Canva. Now, Canva is probably one of the best websites on the internet. You can do so much customization, video editing, photo editing right in the platform, and it's 100% free. You can do this with your smartphone, and you can actually share and collaborate with Canva. And again, it's 100% free. As I went back and watched this video, I noticed that I kept saying that it was 100% free. There's a free version that you can do a lot on, and then there's a premium version as well. I didn't want to offer any confusion, but you can get 99% of things that you need to get done for free over on Canva. So yes, there's a free version, there's a premium version, but just about everything that you have that you need is available in that free version. You can make YouTube thumbnails, you can make TikTok videos or Pinterest pins. You can do a whole host of stuff with Canva. And I keep saying it's 100% free because I'm surprised that they offer so much for free. It's a great alternative to using Photoshop or some of the other softwares that are out there if you can't afford it. And they have an app that you can use right on your smartphone. So just to recap real quick, these are the 6 must-have tools: a domain name and web hosting, a smartphone with internet connection, landing page / email marketing, Google Drive, and Canva. Now, here are 4 optional tools that you should get once you start making money. You want to reinvest into these tools. Now, number 1, I think, is a laptop or a desktop. For me, because I've got bad eyes, I much prefer working on a laptop or desktop than working on a smartphone. It comes with much more storage space. It works a little bit faster in some cases, and I can do more. It's easier for me to do email marketing from a laptop or desktop. So once you start seeing money, you start seeing a return on your investment, invest in a laptop, desktop. Next is a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. Now, this camera here is the Canon M50 Mark II, and I actually use this to create my TikTok video. So what I do every Saturday is I will set this camera up and I'll turn it on and I just look right in the camera and I record. I like doing it this way because it doesn't consume so much of my iPhone's battery or my iPhone's memory hard drive space. I also like doing it because it creates better videos. I think the videos look a little bit more dramatic, and so it's easier to do some of that stuff with the mirrorless camera. Now, again, this is things that you want to reinvest in. The next thing that you want to look at is getting a better microphone. The microphone that I'm using right now is called the Blue Yeti X microphone. Now, the iPhone microphone is okay. It's usually a little bit better when it has that wired microphone that's connected. If you're just going to speak into it and you're using like the wireless capability, it doesn't sound as great. So I like using this microphone. Again, this is something that you're going to reinvest in once you start making some money. And the other thing that I think you should reinvest in is lighting. Now, right now I have a softbox that's over my head, and then I've got 2 blue lights here that I purchased from Amazon, and I think it just makes it look a little bit better. Again, this is stuff that you should reinvest in and not necessarily buy up front. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you want to be as lean as possible. And basically what that means is don't spend money if you don't have to. Only reinvest it. And with the tools that I mentioned, with the must-have tools, with the exception of the domain name and web hosting, all of that stuff is free. The stuff that I've mentioned that I've revealed are all paid things that you can reinvest in. Also, if you're going to get a DSLR, you might want to get a desktop stand like this, so that it makes it easy to create content. But really, that's all the tools that you need. As long as you have the must-have tools, you can get up and running and find success and have a full-time income with just those tools, and you can be incredibly successful. Now that you know the tools that you need for affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free training that shows you how you can earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without a huge following on social media, without spending a dime on paid ads, or even a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.